We're gonna start with utilizar la mascarilla durante todo el tour y que se bien. Vamos a mantener distancia entre los grupos, así como están. And we got some coffee stations during the tour. There we have some hand sanitizer. I recommend you to have first hand sanitizer and then have your coffee. Okay? You can remove your mask. You're not bad. Chiquillos, hay unas estaciones de café en el tour. Hay alcohol en gel, entonces primero se echan alcohol y después agarran café, ¿verdad? El alcohol es para las manos, no para el café. The DRS developed the coffee beverage. Now the Italians gave a little coffee planet at the right side. Everything that came out, but they have just gonna talk about it. See? Once in Brazil, coffee is fresh. Okay. Perfecto. Vamos a ir a ver unas maticas de café. Les pueden decir son coffee plants. Hay gente que se equivoca, pero eso yo lo aclaro. Okay, over here we have some coffee seeds. They look like peanuts, but they are not. Okay, these are dried coffee seeds. At the end, there's going to be only 3 pounds of roasted coffee, or 1.5 kilos of roasted coffee. That's not a lot. Okay.
Charlie, stop.
¿Ustedes cuántos cajuelas al final? Yo 3 apenas. ¿Cuántos? 3. 3. Todo el día. Es difícil, mucha garganta, mucho. O tal vez no eran muchos los granos que había en cama. Ajá. Sí, tal vez no estaba buena la cosecha. There was a good harvest that year. That can help them out, obviously. Any other question? ¿Una otra pregunta?
Try it one more time.
It's burning, so that's hot.
It's because it's hot.
Yeah.
What does it taste like?
A bean.
Like a bean, like a hot bean, like a burned bean, like a roasted bean.
No,
You taste any chocolate?
it tastes like nothing
Do
I've ever
you
had.
taste grapefruit?
Tastes like nothing you ever had.
Is that good or bad? 2 thumbs up, half a
it's
thumb,
medium. Okay.
equal. Okay,
Oh, it's good. I know.
cool. We'll take that. We'll take that.
Good.
First taste of coffee in your life, I think.
Mommy.
That's what we're doing. I'm gonna go run to the.
Like it with blood, and some people like it fully.
Children.
Creamos que es el mejor método. Rosa entero. Good for you. Keep it in the bag, so it doesn't absorb any aroma or anything else. So if you've got a little can of cows that match with the other cows of the kitchen, my advice is to put the back inside of the little can. That's it. So you can keep the aesthetic of your kitchen. Okay. Any other question? ¿Alguna otra pregunta? ¿Quién tiene hambre? Muchísimas gracias.
Gracias.